Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload an image to your Dropbox desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, an image that we will be uploading to Dropbox and their server. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, go to dropbox.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to account, then go to my Dropbox. And now what we will do is minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel, go to YouTube icon, right click and copy this to the desktop. Let's now go to the side menu, go to Dropbox. Let's now copy this image, right click, copy. Now let's decrease the size of the Finder window, bring back Safari, decrease the size of the web browser. Now go to Dropbox, right click, paste item. This should now be synchronizing in real time, and there we have it. This has been uploaded to Dropbox on all formats, whether it's desktop application, web browser or mobile. Everything uploaded to their cloud is on all devices as part of the account synchronization, depending on the way you've set up the account. You can also make files available online or offline, but that's all for another tutorial. So we can now quit Safari, quit Finder. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.